Every building needs a reliable backup power system, and combining utility, generator, solar system in a right way is the key. In this video, I will show you how you can safely connect 3 power source through 2 changeover switch into your distribution board with zero risk. Welcome to Radio Tech Channel. The first thing you are seeing on your screen is utility power supply, 3-phase, solar system, 3-phase, and generator, 3-phase. We are having our 3-phase distribution board, as you can see on the screen, and then 2 3-phase changeover switch. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to connect the utility to the first changeover switch. We all know that changeover switch has 2 inputs and 1 output. So we are connecting this utility to the first input of this changeover switch, which is we are going to connect the red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and neutral. And we are going to do the same thing for the generator: red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and neutral. And then after that, we are going to connect the solar system. So we are going to connect red phase, yellow phase, blue phase, and neutral. Now we are about to connect the main key part of this video. And let me try to do some explanation. In our previous video, what we did is the output of this first changeover switch, we loop it with the output of the second changeover switch. And from those 2 outputs, that's where we use to serve our distribution board. And but the limitation that is there is when you switch to any of this side of the first changeover switch, you must not mistakenly switch to your solar system, because your solar system and any side you switch to will jam together, because the output of the both changeover switch are connected together. But in this video, we are going to connect the output of this changeover switch. We are going to connect it to the input of the second changeover switch, which is going to serve as our alternative, as in is going to be alternate between this second side will be alternating between utility and generator. Let me show you how it's going to look like. And the output of this second changeover switch will now be the one to supply our distribution board. So what this does is, anytime you switch over to any of this side, the power will only be stuck at these terminals, second input terminals. So it won't go direct to the utility until you take your second changeover switch and switch to the alternate side. That's when the distribution board will be powered. Let me show you some example how it's going to work. First thing, we want to switch over to utility. So when we switch over to utility side, as you can see that the load did not come up until we switch the second changeover switch to alternative. That's when our load will be powered. You can see that the load has been powered, and you can see that there is no risk, no mistakes. You can switch it even closing your eyes. It's very easy. And the next one, we are going to do it also. So we want to switch to generator. You can see that we switch down to generator. The light has not come up because we have not switched the second changeover switch to alternating. So when we do that, you can see that the lights come up. And same thing solar. When you want to switch your solar, whatever position your first changeover switch is, it doesn't have any effect with your solar. Then when you switch over to your solar will automatically power the building. And if your utility is on, if your second changeover switch is on utility, when utility come up, your indicator light will show that utility is there, and you will just switch from solar to alternating, and your house will also be powered. You can see that this system is very perfect. And Thank you for that wonderful subscribers that give us this idea. And if you have any beautiful idea like this, or you see one of our video, you see any limitation there, try to reach out to us. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.